Hi everybody. Today I have the, well, there's no name on here, but this is the Cocotique Summer 2020 Limited Edition Wellness Box. And it's heavy. There's quite a bit of stuff in here. This box doesn't have a lot of hair care products in it. It's mostly bath and body. So let's see. They sent me an email with all of the products that are in this box, but I don't remember what's in here. But I do remember that instead of the normal 25, this one was 30. All right, so let's see what we got here. Oh, looks like we have another tote bag, which is nice. Now this one says, something smells good. This one says, "We're all in this together." All right, I'm feeling better on it. And here is the card. The Wellness Box Edition 1. Summer self-care must-haves. All right, and then this is the product information on the back. The first thing I see is from Clean Logic. These are bath gloves. It says gently remove dull, dry, damaged skin with stretch fiber technology. Here they are. They have a texture that's a little bit like plastic fiber. I guess that's the best way I can describe it. Put them on. And you're supposed to use your soap or body wash and lather and scrub yourself with these. All right, they're very stretchy too. Okay, the next thing is from Peat Brothers Unscented Moisturizing Bath Bar. And it has no palm oil in it. Yep, it's unscented. Doesn't smell like anything. There it is. Nice big bar. Okay. And then we have something in a little plastic bag. This is, says Mother Shea. Whipped shea butter, vanilla. All right. Vanilla whipped shea butter. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. I didn't even take the film off yet. It has a covering on it. Let's see what that says. Natural shea butter melts. Open carefully. If melted, pop in fridge until cool. Then enjoy. Okay. It feels soft, so I'm thinking maybe I should wait. It smells so good though. Very nice. And the card says, Mother Shea Vanilla Whipped Shea Butter. A shea butter based cream with all clean ingredients to keep you and your family moisturized all day. Bonus. This mother-daughter run social enterprise is dedicated to supporting as many women as possible, as holistically as possible, by returning 15% of company profits back to the supply chain in their native Ghana. Wow. That's nice to know. Okay. Next thing up is from Canvy. It's called Scalp Bliss. And this is itch calming organic based serum. Long lasting scalp soothing sensation. Perfect for dry, itchy scalp. Okay. Oh, this smells like peppermint. Strong peppermint. Okay. That's a scalp soothing scalp serum. Alright, next is Cometis Bio Herbal Skincare. This is a foot gel. Double action. Renew and moisturize. Okay, foot gel. It says it's suitable for adults and children 6 months and older. Okay. It's kind of a brownish gel. There it is. It doesn't really have a strong smell. Okay. The texture is kind of slippery and smooth. I think this will feel good on my feet. Okay. Next thing I see is, this is another Turby Twist microfiber towel. But it's printed. The one I have is white. And then I have I have another one that's similar, but it's not microfiber. The microfiber is supposed to be more gentle on your hair than like a regular towel. The fabric is it's not as knobby, not as quite as knobby as a towel. It's supposed to be gentler on your hair. There it is, Turby Twist. Okay. I'm glad to get this too. And what's that? Comes with some instructions. Place, twist, loop. And this is like a gift tag, I guess, if I were to give this to someone. Okay. I guess that's why it had the pretty ribbon on it. And then we have something from Raine. Natural Foaming Feminine Wash. This is a big bottle. Oh, I see. It has a foamer pump on top. Okay. It's supposed to be all natural. Better for you than soap. And then this is from Eco Lips. Mango Kiss Lip Balm. Let's see. It smells good. Kind of a tropical pineapple kind of. I like that. Okay. That's nice. All right, lip balm. And then we have from Palmer's coconut oil formula, some coconut oil body oil. It smells like coconut for sure. Very much like coconut. Let me see. Pump it out like this. Ooh. It smells really strong in the bottle, but when I pump it out, the smell almost goes away. That's good. I guess, you know, it won't interfere with your perfume and things like that. All right. And then the last thing is some bubble bath. This is from Sunday Raine Time Out Bubble Bath. Watermelon scent. This is a good size too. It smells just like a freshly cut watermelon. Really nice. Not like watermelon candy or, you know, the super sweet watermelon smell. It smells actually like the plant. I like that. And this is the bag. So we got watermelon bubble bath, Eco Lips lip balm, printed Turby Twist hair towel, the Peat Brothers Shea Butter unscented bath bar. We got Clean Logic bath gloves for exfoliating your body. The Cometa's foot gel. The Palmer's coconut oil formula, coconut oil for your body. The Real Natural Foaming Feminine Wash. And Scalp Bliss Itch Calming Organic based serum. That's a lot of stuff. A lot of Bath and Body Wellness products in this bag. Oh, and I forgot. The whipped shea butter by the company that gives back to the women in Ghana. That's very nice. And it smells heavenly. All right. So that's everything in the Cocotique limited edition summer wellness box. Thank you for watching. Bye.